Presiden juga NPP Meghalaya ba Prestone Tynsong haka sngi Balang ula pyntip balada pan Phah ika Kyrteng juga Kyrtong kiban aireng naka parti haka nika eleksyon MP na Shillong ba Tura seat. Haba kren bakila pathai Khubor uba Prestone ula iathuh. Ba mynta ka shong Khubor bahalor juga parti ban bishar bniah ika Kyrtong shwa ban iathuh ya ka jingmynjur.
So many, not less than 5-6. Please wait till this week. Till this week, you will be the first person to know who will be the candidate. So please don't insist me on that, because still it is confidential. Until unless the national president, unless the president of the NPP national approve it, I am not allowed to say anything on that. Please wait maybe till Saturday. So hopefully the national president, honorable national president, will give us the green signal. Constituencies. If I propose 3-4, then it's so odd. And not only that, we create confusion to the High Command. So we propose one from Tura constituency and one is from Shillong constituency. Suppose the election, the state election authority already sat down today, and then most likely within this week, once we get the approval of national president about the candidature of the proposed name from both the constituencies, Tura and Shillong, then I'll get back to you.